How to create new Yahoo account. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, if you like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. So let's begin. The first step is you need to open up your preferred browser on your PC. After that, in the search bar you have to click and search for Yahoo sign up. Soon after searching, you'll be able to see the search results where you have to go for create Yahoo account option at first. After that, our interface will be opened up on your screen. You can see there is a full name, new Yahoo email, password, date of birth. So you have to fulfill all this information sequentially. After entering all the information, you have to go for continue. And you'll be able to see this interface. So here in this text box, you need to enter your mobile number. First, you have to select the country code. And you have to enter your mobile number, and after that you have to go for send code option. After entering the character, you have to go for verify, and after a few seconds you'll be verified, so you have to simply click on done. And finally, after that you will be opened up to the home page of Yahoo where your account is created. So by following this simple step, you can create new Yahoo account. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. Thanks for watching.